Was watching some of the Gibson relays over the weekend. And you know it's customary to use Gibson as a kind of marker to see where the top contending schools are for champs. Even with the advent of more development and regional meets, Gibson relays remain the gauge going into champs. But just looking at favorites, Kingston College though, Gibson is basically a KC meet, so we expected them to be out with quality and numbers. But KC looked very underwhelming. I think they won one relay, not looking like champs favorites at all. Jamaica College, on the other hand, looked quite impressive in the relays, or at least more impressive than KC. But guess what? We've made this observation and had this conversation before. The reality is that KC's champs' glory over the years depend on the accumulation of points across events, both on the track and on the field, even if they don't win those events. And that formula worked for KC over the years. So although they might look like they are falling, they are never yielding.